Today, we're diving headfirst into the best deep fryers of 2025. And trust me, these bad boys are about to take your frying game from sad and soggy to crisp and crunchy. First up, we have the Waring Commercial WDF 1000 Heavy-Duty Deep Fryer. This isn't just a fryer, it's the AV fryer, the holy grail of deep frying. This beast was made for people who don't mess around. It's got a 10-pound capacity, which means you can fry up a feast without breaking a sweat. And those 3 stainless steel fry baskets? Yeah, they let you cook multiple things at once, so you can be frying chicken, shrimp, and fries like some sort of deep frying wizard. Plus, the 1800W heating element keeps everything at the perfect crisp-inducing temperature. If you're serious about frying, this is your new best friend. Next, the VEVOR Commercial Deep Fryer, and let me tell you, this one is an absolute workhorse. With its dual 23.2 quart tanks, you could basically start a small restaurant in your kitchen. The stainless steel construction means it's as durable as your grandma's cast iron skillet, and the 3000W heating element ensures your oil is always sizzling at just the right temperature. And get this, it has dual independent controls. That means you can fry up some crispy chicken on one side while getting your donuts golden brown on the other, multitasking at its most delicious. Next, the ROVSUN 22.8 QT Electric Deep Fryer, which is here to remind you that bigger really is better. This fryer is all about capacity and power. The dual stainless steel fry baskets let you cook twice as much, and the removable oil tank makes cleanup way less of a nightmare. The adjustable temperature settings let you dial in the perfect heat, whether you're frying up wings for game night or making a batch of crispy tempura. Next, the WaterElfo Electric Deep Fryer. This fryer is no joke. It's got a 13.7 quart capacity, making it perfect for both home chefs and small-time catering gigs. The stainless steel build is as sleek as it is durable, and the adjustable temperature control lets you nail the perfect crisp every time. The built-in timer means you won't have to hover over your fryer like a stressed-out hawk. Just set it, walk away, and come back to crispy, golden goodness. Next, for the home chefs who want pro-level results without committing to a fryer the size of a small car, the Hamilton Beach 35042 Professional-Style Electric Deep Fryer is here to save the day. This one's got a 5-liter capacity, which means you can still fry up a feast, but you won't need an industrial-sized kitchen to do it. The 1800W heating element gets things sizzling fast, and the viewing window on the lid lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without losing heat. Plus, it's got a breakaway cord for safety, because let's be real, no one wants to deal with a fryer-related disaster in their kitchen. Finally, we have the VIVOHOME 2000 500W 10.6 QT Electric Deep Fryer. This little gem proves that you don't need to go all in on a monster fryer to get amazing results. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for home cooks who want crispy, golden perfection without taking up their entire counter. The 2500W heating element means you're not waiting forever for your oil to heat up, and the adjustable temperature control lets you get everything just right. Plus, the removable frying basket makes serving and cleanup a breeze. It's simple, it's effective, and it delivers crispy deliciousness every time. So there you have it, the top 6 deep fryers of 2025, ready for your frying pleasure. Now, go forth and fry like you mean it.